Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Vertex Manoj Roy. Today we are doing exercise 7.1. As we know, there are about 10 questions and we have to use in 7.1 as the distance formula and the area of triangle formula when coordinates are given. So I will request you to please watch my video. The link is above so that you can understand how to use the formula and which other formulas are like in exercise 7.1. Please watch this video first. Okay, let's start. Find the perimeter and the area of the triangle ABCD when A, B, C, and D are given. So it means what is required actually a triangle, sorry, a rectangle, and A, B, C, and D. Remember, A, B, we cannot write C here. A, B, C, D, we have to move clockwise or anti-clockwise. We cannot jump. A is about 4, 5. B is 4 and minus 2. C is minus 3 and minus 2. And D is, sorry, this is D. D is minus 3 and 5. And C is minus 3 and minus 2. Actually, when you want to find the perimeter, what do you mean by perimeter? Perimeter means add all the sides. So we need to find the distance. As we know, this and this is same. These two sides are same. So we just need to find the distance AB. AB distance, we have to use a formula. I'm writing the formula here. Distance formula is under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. That's the distance formula. Okay. When I want to find the distance of AB, 4 minus 4 is 0. I'm just showing the step here, and minus 2 and minus 5, minus 2 and minus 5 in the whole square. Okay, so now 4 minus 4 is 0, square is 0, and plus minus 2 minus 5 is minus 7, minus 7 square is plus 49, and when we take the root of 49 is coming 7 units. Okay, so it means this is coming 7 and this is also 7, the same. Now we need to find B and C. So when we find the distance BC, we will use the same formula, distance formula. X2 minus x1b. 4 minus 3 is plus 3. Yes. And plus minus 2 and minus 2 is plus 2. So it's plus 2. So this is a very simple question. 4 plus 3 is 7 squared is 49. And this is 0. So final answer is again coming 7 units. So basically it's not a rectangle, this is a square actually. But let's see. Okay, this is also 7 and this is also 7. So it means AB is 7, BC is also 7. So now what we can do, when you want to find the perimeter means add all the sides, or like 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7, or even you can write 4x, so 4 times 7 is 28. So you can write 28 units. This is the perimeter. And second thing we require to find the area. Area means like what we do, length into breadth or length into length, and then L square. So 7 multiplied by 7 is 49, and that is unit square, and we have done it. This was a very simple question, like the application of distance formula. Okay, moving to question number 2. You can see here in find the area of the triangle ABC given that the following coordinates. In my previous video, I have discussed about the formula, like when you want to find the area, when the coordinates are given, area of triangle, the formula is half, and we have to use the sign modulus. Okay, what we write here, coordinate A, coordinate B, coordinate C, and again coordinate A, I have to write here, okay? This is the way. I want to give the review. This is x1, y1, this is x2, y2, x3, y3, again x1 y1. So what are the application? I would like to use this example here, like question number 2 part A. You can see area of the triangle is half with the modulus sign, What are the coordinates of A? 2, 1. I'm writing 2 and 1. Then 5 and 1. And then 6 and 5. This is the way. And then again I have to write 2 and 1 because I have to write here. You can see coordinate A, then coordinate B, coordinate C, and again coordinate A. So that's, we have to write this coordinate again. Now what's the method actually? The method is very simple. You have to multiply like this. Okay, area is 1 upon 2. I have this, like when you see, watch my video, previous video, I have explained how to use the formula. Okay, modulus means, this means we always have the positive answer. Okay, I'm using this bracket now. 2 multiplied by 1 is 2. I'm writing this bracket 2, then plus 5 times 5 is 25, plus 6 times 1 is 6. Close the bracket. Minus sign is very important. Now, what we have to do? We have to do cross like this and add. So, 5 times 1 is 5, plus 6 times 1 is 6, plus 2 times 5 is 10. So, this is the way we have to multiply. This is the method, and this actually modulus, this we have to write the positive answer. Even you can normally, teachers also write like this. That's, we have to get the positive answer. No problem. So 25 plus 6 is 31 plus 2 is 33 minus 16, and this is coming 21. So when we do like this is positive answer, we have to decide like this modulus sign actually, remember, don't forget it. 32 minus is about 1 and 2, 12, and when we divide is coming 6, and that's your unit square, and that's we have done. This is a way that we can find the area when the coordinates are given. Even you can find the area of four like angles, four corners are given, vertices are given, even five. All the closed figure you can use this formula. Okay, so we have done it. Moving to next part, question number 3. Okay. In question number 3, required find the area of the trapezium. Like trapezium again was a formula like we have to use area of trapezium is half. I have to use the coordinates. Which coordinates? Coordinate A, B, C, D, and again A. Because when four coordinates are given, we have to use 5 here and closing with the same. Like when we start from A, we have to close with A. When we start from B, like B, C, D, A, and then again B is possible. Okay, A is 4, minus 1, 2, 3. C is minus 1, 3. And D is minus 2 and minus 1, and A is again 4 and minus 1. So when we do the calculations, we have to like multiply like this, as I discussed with you, and like this. Okay. So when you do the multiplication, this modulus sign means you have to get the answer positive. 4 times 1 is 3 is 12. Then 2 times 3 is 6. And minus minus is plus 1. And minus minus is plus 2, 72. Negative sign. Now we have to do the multiplication like this. Okay. So what's the result? 2 times 1 is minus 2. Minus 1 and 3 times is minus 3. 2 times 3 is minus 6 because negative sign. 4 times is minus 4. So this is the way. Just be careful while doing the calculations. Because in Add.Math the calculator is allowed, so you can use a calculator. But this is very simple calculation. 12 plus 6, 18, 19, 20 and 21. This is 21. Minus, then we have to like all negative sign means add, this is coming minus 15. So this is the way that we can get the answer. 21 minus 15 is plus 15, and this is always positive answer. So be careful, this is very like we cannot have the area negatives, that's the reason. So it's coming 18 unit square, and we have done. Okay. So this is like in 7.1 we are like working this how we can use the distance formula and how we can use the area of closed figure using the coordinates. Now moving to next part, question number 4. Find the length of the sides of the triangle. This, and this show that the triangle is isosceles triangle. I think so. I would like to whatever the triangle you can write. We are not sure this which two sides are equal, but A, B, and C. You have to find the distance of this D1. Then you have to find distance of this D2, and then you have to find distance of this D3. Like use the distance formula. Isosceles triangle means two sides will be same. So any two sides can be like D1 can be equals to D2, or D2 can be equals to D3, or D1 can be equals to D3. This like when you do the calculation, you can get the answer. It's very simple. I'm not solving this part. This question number 5 is important, like the whole exercise. Calculate the area of the triangle ABC in the diagram, hence find the length of AF. This part is actually important, this part, AF to find. So when you find the area means you have to use the same formula to modulus 1. Like A is 6,4, B is 14 and minus 1, and C is 2,4, and again you have to use 6 and 4. So using the same method, modulus sign, you have to cross multiply like this. 6 times 1 is minus 6. 14 times 4 is, you can write plus sign because there is no negative sign. 56. 2 times 4 is 8. And then close the bracket, minus sign. Then we have to multiply like this. This is again 56. 2 times 1 is minus 2. And 6 times 4 is 24. And you can close the bracket. Okay, after getting the answer, so 56 minus 6 is 50, is coming 58, minus sign. So 56 minus 2 is 54, 4 and 4, 8. And this is coming 78. So this is very good example, like we are having negative value because of this calculation. It's coming minus 20. Okay, then we do the subtractions coming minus 20. So this minus 20 will become positive 20 because this modulus sign means we have to always give the answer positive. So area is coming 10 units squared. Okay. Requirement, the second part, hence find the length of AC. This time we have to use the formula like area of triangle is half into base into height. When you see this diagram, this is the base actually. So when the base means we have to if I write area is 10 and half, base is what? Base is CA or CB, and height is AF, which is required. So this is required. There is no problem to find, but we need to find CB first. So it means I'm just doing one more calculation. The CB using the distance formula. 14 minus 2 whole squared and plus minus 1 and minus 4 whole square. Okay, 14 minus is 12 square, and this is coming 5 square is positive 120, then 12 square is 144, and this is coming 25. Altogether is coming 9, 4, 6. Okay, 169 is 169. The root is 13 square. Okay, or 13 only units. So this is coming 13. CB is coming 13. Now I am putting the value here. This is the most important part. 10 is equals to 1 upon 2 into 13 into this AF is required. So I'm just writing here. What you have to do, 2 will multiply with 10 and 13 will divide. So now AF is equals to whatever the value is coming, you have to write here, like 10 is 20 divided by 13, and whatever the answer is coming, you can write unit. Okay, so we have done it. So you can get the answer in decimal using calculator. Question number uh, this part, question number 4, like if the point this is equidistance from the point this and this, like if I suppose this is P. So just I'm not solving this part, but just I'm just giving the idea how to solve. Equidistance means this point P is here, suppose, and A is here, and B is here, suppose. The distance of A with P and P with B, both are equal. So it means what you can do, you can write an equation that's in question number 6. The AP is equals to AB. And you can use the distance formula, both the sides like this. Root root cancel out. When you take the square, use the formula and you can get the answer. There is no problem to find the value of t. Question number 7. In question number 7, given that A, B both are given, find the t on x-axis such that, okay, this situation, when we're talking about x-axis, I just want to draw like an idea I'm just giving you. A is about, okay, I can use this. Just give, we don't require to draw the sketch in the exam. I just want to give the idea. -4, -1, 4 is about here. Suppose this is here. This point is A. This point is A, and B is 5, and this point is here. Suppose this is B. Okay, the point P on the x-axis such that AP and BP, AP and like this, whatever we are not sure actually. I'm just suppose this can be here, this can be here, anywhere. I'm just giving an idea because what are the coordinates on x-axis? On x-axis, the y is always 0, so we write x comma 0. Or when we're talking about y-axis, this is 0 comma y. This was my target actually, that on x-axis the coordinates are always like x comma 0. On y-axis the coordinates y 0 comma y. It means on x-axis y is 0, on y-axis x is 0. So now using this method, like was it this is point P is here, x n comma 0. So when P is x comma 0, P is x comma 0, you can use a, like is given in the part AP is equals to BP. So A is given, P is here. You can use it and get the answer. Same thing in the B part. In the B part, Q is on y-axis. So Q on y-axis means you have to write 0 comma y. You can use and use the same coordinates 0 y, and you can do the working. There's no problem. Okay, like I am just again giving an idea about this questions. Question number 8. The trapezium with vertices this, and this has area 18 square centimeter. Find the value of t. This is the same thing actually. We have to use the formula area of trapezium, like A, B, C, D, and again A. So A is like you can write t comma 0. B is t plus 2 and 0. C is t plus 2 and 3t plus 2. D is t and 2t plus 1, and again A you have to write t comma 0. What do you write? Area is given what? 18. So write 18 here to multiply 36, and you can do normal calculation. There is no problem. Just do the normal calculation, and after the working you can get the answer, like 1836 equals to use the modulus sign and two brackets minus 2 like here, and then you have to get the answer. Okay, now question number 9. Here in 9, what we have to do, which of the points A, B, C is nearest to this. This is like first you have to find AP, then find BP, then find CP. You will have three results by using the distance formula. Whatever the result is minimum, that's your result, because which value is nearest, which this point is nearest to P, so you have to use the distance formula. That's it. Question number 10. The point P such that the distance from Y is equal to the distance from the point this, show that. Okay, actually for this we have to use the, again, I just want to show you some word like how to do this. Actually you have to do yourself. I'm just giving an idea. The point P is such that the distance from the y-axis is equal to the distance from, okay, y-axis means, what are the y-axis? 0, comma, y. This is the coordinate. And P is, we don't know where is P, but P is xy, okay. And A is anywhere, I'm just not using this, A is anywhere, suppose A is 3 and 2. Is equal to its distance from, it means what we have to write, this point we can suppose this point is about Q. So PQ is equals to AP, and you can use the formula. Again, you can read the point P is such that its distance from the y-axis is equal to the distance from the point this. This means these two distances are same, and when you simplify, you will have this equation. That's it. So by this way, we have done exercise 7.1 coordinate geometry. I hope that this will helpful for you. And again, this my request to you, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, because you will see my new videos as I'm making frequent video parallel all the chapters, linear log, coordinate geometry, differentiation, also the mathematics of O levels. So thank you so much for watching this video, and have a nice day.